Hey guys, hope everybody's doing great today. Welcome to my channel. I'm Mimi and this is Mimi's Mission. And today I wanted to bring to you the final results of the project that I was working on, the DIY. And it's turned out to be really cute, I think. And I would like to find out what you guys think. If you remember, I'm going to try to show some of the beginning to the end and what the final outcome was. But this is on the plant stand that I made from a grocery store end cap shelf, and we turned it into a plant hanger slash planter for the patio. Really liking it, and I hope that you will like the video. Leave me a comment if there's anything that you have done recently with anything similar. I don't know what kind of DIY projects that you create at home. When you're in the state that I'm in, 60 plus years old, retired, staying at home, I've got a whole new love for gardening and plants and birds and so many things that I got going on right now. And so just loving life. And I'm interested in what you guys are doing. What is everybody doing in the rest of the world? If you're retired, if you're above 60 and you stay at home all the time, I hope you'll share your do-it-yourself projects with me, and just leave me some pics in the comments. And that way I may one day decide to do some myself with your permission. So hope everybody's doing great, and I will show the final look of the project at the end of this video. And just, you guys have a great day. Subscribe if you will. Help me to build this community up of people, and let's share life together. That's what it's all about. So have a great day. And again, I say, if you're in this heat, stay cool, everybody. So this is the end cap that I plan to turn into a hanging basket slash planter. Watch for details. Okay guys, here's an update on our little project we've got going on. This is what we've got so far. My husband was awesome enough to nail down the base for me, and we've got the top for hanging the plants, and we will be able to hang some from the sides, and I have my little bottom, and tomorrow I will be going out to paint it, getting it ready to use. So you guys stay tuned. So if you were keeping up with my DIY plant stand, this is how we finished. So we have the plants hanging from the top. And don't hate on my ferns, I just had to break them down, so they're trying to pop back up. Normally I would wait till the spring, but they were so root bound that they weren't holding any water. So got to get them popped back up. But as you see, we added the base to hold plants, and we fixed the top to hang some. And that is my do-it-yourself planter stand, however you want to say it, made from a grocery store end cap shelf. So tell me what you would have done, and show me what you have done. Leave the comments.